How to go live on Instagram. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go live on Instagram. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to open your Instagram application and then you're going to click on your profile icon at the bottom right and you'll be redirected to an interface like this. In order to go live, you're going to make sure that your account is switched to professional and you should see this over here. If you're not able to see this option, you're going to head over, click on these three horizontal lines at the top right, and then you'll be redirected to settings and activity. You're going to scroll down and click on creator tools and controls. Here, scroll down, click on switch account type, and you should see an option of switch to professional account. Click on that and your account will be switched to professional and you should see an option like this. Next, what you're going to do is click on this plus icon at the top left, and here you'll be able to see various options. So if your account has followers more than 1,000, you should see an option of go live right over here. If you're not able to see that option, that means your account followers are less than 1,000 and those accounts are not eligible to go live on Instagram. So if you find this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.